few moments later.
All right, so there you have it. That's the waterless quick and dirty wash. Damn! I mean, I understand it doesn't get every single particle off of there, but it works well when you're out on the track or out on some trails and you don't have access to water. That's the easiest way to do it. There's only 3 things you really need. This is my favorite as far as cleaning it goes. It's just the foaming crystals by Simple Green. Cheapest way to do this is to buy it in the 12 pack. I think it's like $60. Otherwise it gets a little pricey if you do it individually, but it works really, really good. And then secondly, I always spray it down with this. This is just silicone protector. It's called Moose Lick. So I find it on A-Main Hobbies, and it works really well. There's videos out there of how well this works. I think like Ultimate RC did one. I've always found that it works really well though. Protects moving parts, protects plastics. It's good. And then you need a blower. So I always do the gas one because I don't always have electric, obviously. So that's the best way to do that. If you really want to get it well, I mean, you could always use a hose first and, clean it off and then clean off the Simple Green with the hose as well. That would do an even better job. One thing you want to be careful of, don't put this on your tires because they make it super slick and then it's very difficult to drive it on the road. So that's it. I mean, it's starting to look somewhat respectable. Next thing we'll do here is we got to clean that bad boy. So that'll probably be the next video. So if you like what you saw, then, common sense, like the video, subscribe, comment. I'll try to get back to every one of them. So thank you.